Most AI assistants forget you the second the chat closes. Hermes Agent is different. It remembers, it builds its own skills, and it keeps getting a little sharper every time you use it. This is Hermes Agent. Let's go under the hood. Picture a normal agent. You ask it something, it answers, and that's it. Close the tab, and it's like you never talk to it at all. Hermes agent keeps a memory, it notices what worked, and it can even write itself a new skill so the next similar request is faster. So, what is Hermes agent in one sentence? It's a self hosted assistant you can talk to on any app. You ask for something and it goes and handles it. Then, quietly in the background, it grows from that experience. Next time, the same kind of task goes a little smoother. Under the hood, two parts, they work side by side. The agent core is the part you talk to. It picks a skill, picks a tool, and finishes the job. After that, the learning loops take over. It looks at how the task went and it decides what worth skipping. That's the part that makes Hermes agent feels a little smarter than every day. Let's break down the pieces. First is channels. Hermes agent reaches you through Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Signal, even email. One single gateway process runs all of them at once. It's like one phone line that follows you no matter which app you pick up. Next is skill and tools. A skill is simply a written way to handle one kind of job. The clever part is Hermes agent can write new skills for itself as it works. Tools are what actually does the work: browsing, running code, searching the web. Think of skills as the recipe and tool as the kitchen equipment that cooks it. Last piece is memory. It keeps notes on your projects, your habits, the things you care about. It even nudges itself to say what's actually useful. And it can search back through its own past conversations. It's like a good assistant who keeps a notebook instead of asking you twice. Now let's zoom in into the headline feature. How does it actually get smarter? First, it finishes the task you gave it. Second, it reflects, it checks how the task went. Third, it improves, it creates or sharpens a skill from what it just learned. Fourth, it persists, it saves the useful part to the memory. Then the whole loop repeats and the next similar task goes a bit faster. One more thing, Hermes agent is flexible. It isn't stuck on your laptop. For a big job, it can spawn sub-agents, smaller helpers working in parallel, and it can run almost anywhere, a cheap server or a cloud sandbox. It can even hibernate when idle and wake up when the moment you need it. Let's watch it learn from just one real request. You say, check flight prices to Tokyo every Friday. Step one, it acts, it sets the recurring price check. Step two, it reflects and notices this is something you will likely repeat. Step three, it improves by building a reusable price watch skill. Step four, it persists, remembering your route for the next time. Let's clear up a few common mix-ups. First, this isn't a regular chatbot. It acts on real tasks and it remembers. Second, it doesn't remember by luck. It deliberately saves what matters. Third, you don't have to write every skill. It can build its own. Fourth, it isn't stuck on one laptop. It can run on a server and reach you anywhere. Let's bring it all together. Hermes Agent is one assistant that remembers, builds its own skill, and keeps getting sharper. The agent core handles the task on any channel you use. Skills and tools turn your request into a real action. The learning loop remembers and improves after every single task, and sub agents plus flexible hosting mean it isn't tied to one machine. If this helped Hermes agent finally makes sense, give it a like and subscribe for the next step. Deep dive under the hood. Thank you for watching.